Hey, welcome back to another episode of Trader Zone. Speed up your learning with Simon Davis, also known as Zone Trader. Today we're going to be covering breakers. Okay guys, welcome back. We're here at Great Britain USD on the hour chart and we're going to be covering breakers today. First of all, if you found value in this video, please like the video, and if you're not subscribed already, the best thing to do is subscribe, so then you're always notified for when I'm making new content. I'll be making a lot more new content in 2021 to help you guys become a consistent, profitable trader. Okay, so breakers, what are they? They're like failed order blocks. So this one's not the best one, but they're not always dead super clean. I'll show you some clean ones, I'll show you some not some clean ones. But the idea is it's an order block that is broken, and you get a swing low and a swing lower low. So that's the characteristics. So it's basically like this, and your breakers here, and then it returns to the breaker, which is a failed order block, and then up you go. You buy this zone here. You buy this zone here. Okay, so basically you got your swing low, and then you swing lower low. Breaks the breaker, becomes a breaker. So it's an order block until it gets broken. So it's a breaker now. Then when the price returns to the breaker, we look to enter a trade. We also got an order block here as well. So we've got a breaker order block set up here towards like New York close on this day. And then we aiming for highs here. And that's, if you caught this, would be 300 pips. And we've got another one here, so it's going to get messy, but it doesn't matter, just see through it. We've got a low and a lower low, and you find the up candle before the down move. This wick is a bit messy. Probably most of the time you don't have these wicks getting messed up, and this will just be a clean chart with no wick or anything there. But if you draw this out the body of the candle in this case, because the wick's huge, again it breaks the breaker. Doesn't get a slight return here, but it gets a return over here, and then you can look to buy, because basically that's what they're doing, is they're selling inside of this candle, drives price down, then it goes up, they're at a loss, they come down, they take off the loss and add buys, and that's what they're doing. And you're always aiming for the highs, the next high available in price. Again, we have one here, so we have a low, a low, a low, and then we have our breaker candle. This is on the hour chart. You can always drop down to your 15-minute chart to refine your entries. And then this one's a messy one, but you've got your high and your higher high. And then you find the last down candle before the up move. So it started coming down, going up, so we draw out this one. Also we have our order block as well. So you've got two confirmations that this is going to drop, and then ultimately it drops. Again, we have a high, a higher high. This one, it does get fired through a few times, but this is why we try and refine our entries. And also, a good thing to do as well sometimes is find the order block. So you're trading, so you know that there's two orders to push the market down, but then you've got to wait for it to go back into the order block order in this case. And we're always aiming for lows. You can aim for the lowest of lows as well if you wanted to as targets. Gets touched here, and then when it gets touched, it's a reversal, basically, the breakers. So here we've got a big one, so we've got a low, a lower low, and you pull out this one here, this is an order, and ultimately price goes up off that 80 pips, and you're always reaching for the high. It's reached for the high, it's fulfilled its mission, it's taken out stops and then drops. But then you got a high and a higher high, and you got your breaker here, which doesn't, it gets broken a little bit, doesn't get closed but gets broken, and then comes back into the range, and down you go. And again, we're always aiming for lows, into an order block, aiming for highs and maybe higher. There's ways to trade failed breakers, and we also have many more setups that most people aren't talking about within the Pro Traders price action course. And if you're looking to tame the beast called NASDAQ, then reach out to me on Instagram, because our students are absolutely destroying NASDAQ, like seriously, like 1,000 pips, 2,000 pips, 2,500 pips a day trading NASDAQ. Because when you get the specific entries and follow the exact code that we have here, you will be able to tame the beast called NASDAQ, take your life and trade into the next level. So, like I said, if you found value in this video here today, don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos, because you're going to be seeing a lot more of me here at the Trader Zone, so you can learn how to become a consistent, profitable trader. I've been Simon Davis, also known as Zone Trader, and thanks very much for listening. And if you have a friend who would like to take the trading to the next level, please share the video with them, because that'll help them out in their trading journey too, not just yourself. The holy grail of trading is patience, discipline, rule following, and always, always, always manage your risk. See you on the next one.